Is your Instagram hacked, blocked, why it is not working? Today in this video we'll be going to answer a very important question like why this is happening guys. And you see the point, Instagram is loading but you don't see anything, every picture is black, your Instagram feed is not loading up, all you see is just empty screen. And I really wonder, is my Instagram account hacked, blocked, or what's really going on? So today in this video we have got the latest update, what's really going on, we have got some update from some credible sources. So let's jump right into all the details. However guys, before we start, make sure to hit that like if you like this video, share this video, subscribe, and let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, first of all, do let me know what kind of a issue are you facing with your Instagram, whether it's just this blank screen, blank pictures. I also observed many people can't able to load up anything at all. It clearly shows couldn't load post. So do let me know what kind of a error are you getting. Now let me show you all the latest update. Alright guys, so I checked out the Twitter to see what's really going on, and here you can see just 17 seconds ago woke up to Instagram being down. What do you expect? Instagram still down. 1 minute ago Instagram still down. Now there are thousands and thousands of people reporting Instagram is down, so definitely you don't need to worry about it. Your account is not hacked, not blocked. But let me show you what's really going on, the latest update. Instagram is down for tons and tons of people, as you can see right over here on the screen. It has been down since like many hours, but there is a specific reason why it is happening, and let me show you that. So alright, so first you see right over here onto the down detector, you see outage has been started 4 p.m. that it has escalated very rapidly, about settled down to about 2000 outage reports as of right now, which is pretty serious case as of right now. So what's really going on guys? And it's pretty clear that app is not working, the feed is not loading. And why this is happening? Well this fellow replied there is momentum is down. It has been since the launch. Thread just migrated the Instagram accounts over, and that is most of their accounts, and that's the reason why Instagram is down. Instagram is definitely down on purpose. I bet they're trying to get more people to try threads. So this is the reason, I think that's why Instagram is down, so that people try threads. They are trying to get more people to try their threads. Now do let me know if you got any latest update. Do let me know, to let the community know what's really going on guys. As far as I can see, once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. But this is all we have today for this video. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.